Hi, I'm Lori, Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker. This is our newest listing at 20E Folkstone Road. It is a gorgeous townhouse condo. Come on in and take a look around. If you're tired of taking care of lawn maintenance, snow removal, and the exterior of your home, this is the place you want to be. You can move in. This is just like new. You don't have to do anything here. It offers a gorgeous kitchen with maple cabinets to the smooth texture ceilings. It has a double breakfast bar, center aisle, stainless steel appliances, and a walk-in pantry. It's open to the dining room and the living room with a gas log fireplace. There's a couple of coat closets. Everything's just like new. Tilt-in windows, gas heat, central air, all white trim and neutral decor, and this is in perfect condition. The master suite is huge and can hold a king-size bed easily with a full bathroom. And there's a guest second bedroom and a guest bathroom. There's a huge basement with plenty of storage, or if you'd like to finish it off in the future, there's plenty of room to do so. This seems like you're out in the country. Feels like you're way far away from civilization, but you're not. It's in a really nice location, not even 10 minutes away from the highway, very close to the center of Broadbrook. So if you'd like to see this condo, give us a call at 860-618-6233 or check out our website at teamgabriel.net. You don't want to miss this one.